If you're watching this, there's a good chance your Telegram number has been banned, and you're feeling frustrated, maybe even a little confused. Don't worry. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to unban your Telegram number step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know the best ways to contact Telegram support, make your case for unbanning, and avoid pitfalls that could delay your recovery. Let's dive right in. First up, the most direct way to get Telegram's attention is by using their official support form. Go ahead and head over to the Telegram support page on their website. You can find it with a quick search if you need to. Now, when you fill out the form, this is your chance to make a clear and honest impression. Take your time explaining the problem, let them know your number has been banned and exactly what happened leading up to it. Don't rush here. Be detailed but concise. You'll also need to provide your full legal name, the name that matches your personal documents, so there's no confusion about who you are. Make sure you include a contact email address that you check regularly, because that's where Telegram will respond. And most importantly, type out your phone number in international format. So include the plus sign and the country code, like +1 for the US or +91 for India. This removes any ambiguity and makes it much easier for the support team to locate your account. Once you've double-checked all your information, go ahead and submit the form. Now, don't expect an immediate reply. Telegram support receives a lot of these requests, and it can take some time, but your case will be in their queue. Next, you can try reaching out directly by email. Compose a message to recover@telegram.org. In this email, be polite and get straight to the point. Say that your number has been banned and you'd like them to review your situation. Make sure to include your full number, including the country code again. This really helps them identify your account quickly. It's also helpful to clarify in a friendly way that you believe the ban may have been a mistake or a false positive from their automated systems. Ask if they could kindly check whether any Telegram policies were actually violated in your case. Remember, being polite and clear is your best strategy here. Think of it as writing a letter to customer support rather than venting frustration. A little kindness goes a long way. Now, if you're still able to access Telegram on another device, maybe you're just limited in who you can message, or you can't contact people who aren't in your contacts, there's a handy tool within Telegram itself. Search for the @spam bot. This is a special bot Telegram provides for users who have been restricted, often for suspected spam. Just start a chat with @spam bot and carefully follow the instructions that pop up. The bot will tell you if there are any restrictions on your account, and if you believe this is a mistake, it should give you a chance to submit an appeal. This is a quicker way to get your status reviewed, so don't skip this step if it applies to you. Let's pause for a second. One key thing to remember is patience and politeness. The people at Telegram support see tons of cases every day, and sometimes it really does take a few days or longer to hear back. In the meantime, be extra cautious of third-party services or websites that promise to unban you fast for a fee. Sadly, most of these are scams. Stick with Telegram's official channels only. Just so you know, Telegram bans are usually triggered by certain behaviors like sending lots of spam, mass adding people to groups, or impersonation. If your ban really was a mistake, you have a good shot at recovery. If it was justified, you might see a waiting period. The @spam bot can usually tell you how long that will last. And once you've got your account back, protect it. Avoid any spammy activities and enable two-step verification for extra security. Think of it as locking your door after you've had a security scare. I hope this guide helps you get your Telegram number back quickly and safely. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know if you still have questions or if you want to share your experience in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more practical tutorials like this, and best of luck getting your account unbanned.